Tyler?
Joe, circle.
Here we go, Keel.
Keep going, keep going. Keep running, keep circling. Keep circling, Joe. Put your weight on him. Crossface. Crossface.
Good work, Keel.
Pull it in. Pull it in, get behind him, get your 2. There you go.
Keep spinning, Keel. All right, up. Now work on getting out. Good.
Nice period, Joe.
All right, we have a second weight class, 96 to 100 pound weight class.
I don't know, I think this.
And in fourth place, we have from Penguin Millwood, Alex
Circle, circle.
I did.
Shoot.
In second place,
Head up! Suck it up! Drive! Drive it up!
Crossface, Joe.
Pull that thing back to your knees!
Back to your knees. Drive with your... Good work, buddy.
Keep circling, Joe. Keep circling. Get the 2. Step over his leg. There you go. Change directions. Nice job.
Up to your knees. Up to your knees. Drive that leg to the mat. Drive that leg down.
You got him now, Keel.
Hold on to that leg. Where's the takedown?
He's counting back points.
There was no control there. You gotta wait till they establish control.
Control is the opinion of the ref, buddy.
Which was wrong. Because there's obviously no control yet.
Good work, buddy.
What do you want, Joe?
Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Breathe. Relax. Relax. Nice wrestle. Nice wrestle. Hang on. Hang on. Relax.
You're gonna be on top now.